everyone, this is Maricar aka Maxime and welcome to my channel. So it's been a long time since my last video, since I wasn't able to think of something, to think of a better content that is not just entertaining but gives you an information as well in this time of pandemic. Here in UAE, mass gatherings and worshipping in groups in our churches and sanctuaries are already prohibited, just to avoid the spreading of the virus. And that is really a sad thing for us, since we Christians here used to gather on Fridays and on Sundays as well to worship the Lord. However, we are so grateful with our church leaders and our senior pastor who is able to think of something for us to be able to continue worshiping the Lord, be ministered by Him, and be edified by the Word of God. We used to do it in FB live streaming as well as in our website, which you can visit and be a part of our worship, and this very familiar application which we used to do the conferencing, fellowshipping with our brethren, which is what we call the Zoom application. So this time in this video, if you have a laptop without a webcam, or the resolution of your webcam is very low compared to your mobile devices, then this video is for you, because in this video I'll be sharing to you how to turn your mobile into a webcam. As 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 2 says, "Preach the word, be instant in season, out of season, reprove, rebuke, exhort with all long-suffering and doctrine." Let us not be hindered by our situation, for us not to continue worshiping the Lord, even through online. Instead, take every opportunity to share and listen to God's Word. This video might give you some information for a better online conferencing towards our brethren. So please keep on watching. Turn your mobile into a webcam. And these are the requirements. DroidCamp application in your mobile devices, both for iOS and Android. DroidCamp Client 6.2.4 in your computer with Windows 7 or later version. Wi-Fi network or USB cable. The first setup guide will be the installation of DroidCamp application to your mobile. Search the DroidCamp application from Apple Store or Google Play for your Android devices. Download and install the mobile app. Open the mobile app and proceed with the on-screen instructions. Allow the access of the app to camera and microphone. Leave the app open while using as a webcam. The second setup guide is the installation of DroidCamp client to your computer. Download the DroidCamp client from the given link, which will be shared to you in the description of this video. Open and install the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instructions until it is finished. The third setup guide: establish connection between the mobile and computer. First, via Wi-Fi network, connect the two devices on the same Wi-Fi connection. Start DroidCamp application in your mobile. Open the DroidCamp client installed in your PC or computer. Click Wi-Fi button. Enter the IP address and port as shown in your mobile app. Click Start button. Mobile app should start showing the camera output. Unstable Wi-Fi connection, we have the second option. Connection via USB cable. Set up the internet connection for the two devices. Connect the two devices with USB cable. Start DroidCamp app in your mobile. Open DroidCamp client in your PC and computer. Click USB section. Click refresh button to detect your device. Select the unique ID of your device and enter the port number. Click Start button. DroidCamp application should start showing the camera output. The third connection is via internet browser, which is only applicable for Android devices. Connect your devices to a Wi-Fi network. Open the DroidCamp app in your phone. Open internet browser in your computer. Enter the browser IPCam address shown in your DroidCamp app into the address bar of your browser. Hit the Enter key. DroidCamp app should start showing your camera output in the browser. The fourth setup guide is the testing of your Zoom application with mobile webcam. Open Zoom app in your computer. Sign in using your registered email or Facebook account. Go to Setting on the upper right corner of the app. Go to Video Setting. In the camera, DroidCam should be available in the list. Select it and it should start displaying the camera output. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you have any questions or issue on doing the setup guide, then please leave a comment below and I'll be willing to assist you. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.